Yes Bank's numbers appearing at the bottom of your screens. A sharp drop in the profits, which has come in at 45 crore rupees versus 114 crore rupees in the corresponding quarter. And the provision figure, interestingly, has dropped quite sharply at 1,086 crores versus 4,872 crores in the previous quarter. The gross NPA though has come in at 17.3% versus 16.8%, but the net NPA has shown signs of easing at 4.96% versus 5.03%. I have the profits prior to the provisioning that are still a bit better, or rather the degrowth over there is a bit more limited compared to the kind of degrowth we witnessed in the profit after tax. So 1,147 crores versus 1,096 crores. There's a drop on the NII as well, which has come in at 1,908 crores. CASA ratio, just at 25.8%. There's actually been a bit of an improvement in the provision coverage ratio at 75.1%, and COVID-19 provisions are at 642 crores. NIMs as well are higher by about 109 basis points on a sequential basis, coming in at 3%, perhaps having to do with the cost of funds, which has definitely been on the downturn with the RBI as well slashing interest rates. So that's Yes Bank for you. These are the numbers that are coming in just after that FPO as well, which Yes Bank had conducted. So, yeah, I mean, all in all, I guess, you remember the stock price has in fact cracked even below the FPO price of 12 rupees. There was quite a bit of a fall in the stock scene. But yeah, these numbers, I mean, now that, the stock as well is out of the Nifty 50, not many that track it. But yeah, remember the stock today had a bit of a weak day in the trading session. It was sub the 12 rupee mark as well. Remember the FPO, the recently concluded FPO had been was put in at 12 rupees per share, wherein it raised 15,000 crore rupees. Subsequently, we had holdings of some of the key banks like SBI, which had sort of taken over after the entire fiasco. That fell below, come down to 30% after the FPO. So that's, of course, Yes Bank for you. Like I mentioned, all in all, and you know what, in fact, as per certain estimates, the lender could have, certain estimates actually pegged that the lender would have probably even reported a loss. But I think for now, they've reported a profit. I would want to see if there's any exceptional item or anything, but I don't think that that's the case. It's just a profit after tax. There were very few analysts on the street that are also actually expected a loss. But yeah, the company managed to turn out a small profit, mind you, of 45 crore rupees.